So 5 is to be subtracted. That's the answer. The smallest number that should be subtracted from 9 to 6, 8 to make it a perfect cube is. Now this is a bit tougher one. It's not that simple. See, there is nothing where which will give you any hint of how to solve this. You have to subtract some number so that you should get a perfect cube. Now 9268 near this you must know the perfect cube. See here, how to try this? 10 cube is 1000, 20 cube is 2 cube is 8, so 20 cube will be 8000. So definitely the cube root of this will be greater than 20 because 8000 is 20, so 9268 it should be greater than 20. So try 21. 21 cube is what? 21 into 21 into 21, that is 9261. So 9261 is the nearest number and we need to subtract something from 9268 to get a perfect cube. So which will be that perfect cube? That will be 9261 because 21 cube is 9261. Okay, so the answer is easy now. 9268 minus 9261 equals to 7. This needs to be subtracted. See, the important hint in this problem was how to get to this number. So 10 cube is 1000, 20 cube is 8000. So definitely the cube we must try for number greater than 20. So we tried 21. It could have been 22 also, some bigger number if nearby. It could have been 22 also. So these are the hints for faster solving of the problems. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos. They are useful for you throughout your life for all the competitive exams. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.